Hi, I'm Ryan from iThemeLand, where WordPress and WooCommerce come to life. This tutorial is about how you can save and load filter profile on WooCommerce bulk orders editing plugin. Saving and loading filter profile on the WooCommerce bulk orders editing plugin can help you to bulk edit the orders you constantly need much faster. So stay with us if you want to find out how you can save some filtering options in a profile and then load it when you need just by one click in our plugin. First of all, to save a filter profile, you have to open filter form. So go to WordPress dashboard, IT bulk editing, Woo orders, and filter form button, which is right here. So we're gonna click on it and then set some conditions to filter your orders. As we explained in how to filter order on WooCommerce bulk orders editing plugin, we have divided every field related to the orders into 7 categories, and these categories are billing, shipping, and then pricing, items, other fields, and custom fields. You can use one or more fields in any tab to filter your order. Then, to save the profile, you need to type a name in the text box next to Save Profile, and then click on Save Profile. For example, we want to select, let's say US dollar as the order currency, and we want to filter the orders with a cart discount of $20 to $30. So we're gonna choose that range and type it in the text boxes. And now we need to save this filter profile. So type a cart discount in the text box, which is at the bottom right of filter form, and then click on Save Profile. And when we do that, now we are actually able to load this filter whenever we want just by one click, and we don't need to open filter form again. Now let's try to save another field profile to better trace the options available for you in our plugin. So go to the General tab in the filter form. Now click on the text box next to Status, and then go ahead and choose On Hold and Cancelled from this list. Now what we need to do is we're going to type status in the text box next to Save Profile, and then we're gonna click on Save Profile. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna load our filter profile. Loading a filter profile that you have saved before is simply done by clicking on the Filter Profiles button at the main page. As you can see, when we click on it, the filter profiles you saved before will be listed here. And there you can see it. Now there are some things that you can do to this list. For example, we have an option here called Use Always, and if you apply it to one of the filter profiles, every time you open the WooCommerce bulk orders editing plugin, you'll notice that the orders are already filtered according to the conditions of filter profile. For example, here we are gonna mark Use Always as status profile. So next time when we open the plugin, this filtering condition will be applied to our order table, and only the orders with on hold and cancelled status will be in the table. Alright, then we have load profile. By clicking on the load button in front of each filter profiles, all of the orders will be filtered according to the conditions and they will be in the table. For example, here, if we click on the load button of status profile, the orders will be filtered. Alright, if you want to remove the filter profiles that you don't need anymore, you can just simply go ahead and click on the delete button next to each one. For example, here we're going to use the delete button of a cart discount filter profile, and so it's going to be removed from the filter profiles list. And click on Yes, I'm sure, and there you have it. And by the way, the all orders filter profile is the default profile of our plugin, and so you can't delete this one.